This is the dash of my 1998 Ford Expedition, and the little bulbs that are behind, somewhere behind this HVAC control have gone out. So at night when you have the headlights on, the radio and the gauges and everything's lit up, but none of these, the backlights of any of these controls are. So I'm going to go about taking this apart and getting those bulbs replaced. So the first step here is to get this bezel off, and you can either grab down here and pull at it like that, or get your fingers in the top here, but either way you got to pull this off of here. And then in my case it's four-wheel drive, so I'm going to undo the four-wheel drive switch. Next you take a 7mm and undo these 4 screws. Alright, now that all the connections are undone, I can take this inside and work on the bench. Alright, we're inside now at my bench, and these are the bulbs you want to use, 194 Sylvanias. You can get them at Walmart or any old place really, but if you want to, hit them up on my Amazon link. It helps me out a little bit. But anyway, you open these guys up, and on the back side here you can see where the 2 bulbs go, so we just twist them open to pull them out. So there's one. Pretty simple. Make sure your hands are oil free. You know, you don't really want a bunch of contamination on your hands. Slip it in there and then re-tighten them the little, I don't know, not even quarter of a turn. That one for sure is blown out there. You can see it's dark compared to the other one. Alright, so those bulbs are replaced. I'm not going to put you through all the reinstallation, just plug it in and screw it in. Let's see how it works.